Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today we're doing a college Costco haul. And like everyday Costco haul, I guess. Back to school. Back to school, back to college. So yeah, you want to see what we got? Isaiah picked out Velveeta. I have to know, your Velveeta or Kraft? So the good thing is we just have to take this from one cart, put it in the trailer.
Right.
Some of it. So
yeah.
I can't believe you picked Velveeta over Kraft.
It was right there. We saw the Velveeta first.
Pineapple chunks.
Why not?
Wisp. Because you're trying to be healthier. Lysol wipes.
Okay.
Be clean.
We can just take that whole thing right there. I think that
Well, no. It's
what?
No, because it has all my food. Right. Go ahead and take your stuff.
I think you should take your stuff out.
Are you going to use dryer sheets? And laundry detergent. That's a lot. So that should last you like all year.
I couldn't even tell it was a lot. It's not like
146 loads. You should be good to go.
Okay.
Alright.
That's a lot of guys. Clorox wipes there.
Yeah, I figure y'all are going to clean a lot. Right? I love that you picked goldfish for a snack.
Yeah, goldfish
You're never too old.
Goldfish are the best snack.
I got you this so your stuff smells good. Scent booster. And I don't know about you guys, but I prefer the dishwasher liquid over the pods.
I feel like the pods do stupid things.
Yeah, they don't always open.
Right, they work sometimes.
You got the big box.
Yeah.
Okay, so this has got like whey protein. I don't know, it's a boy thing. I don't get it, but salsa, because Isaiah likes salsa, some nuts, sugar-free barbecue sauce, more smell good stuff. He picked that out. I just want to say.
The air fresheners?
Yes. And then we've got this spaghetti sauce because we know he's not going to make my spaghetti. What else do we have in there? Peanut butter.
Motrin.
Then he's got some peanut butter powder stuff. It's like healthier.
What's that about?
I don't know. He saw it and he was like, yeah, I want to do that.
PB Fit peanut butter powder.
He said you add it to stuff.
Huh.
He's going to be the fit moss.
I haven't heard of that. And he did get some clothes. I love getting clothes from Costco. I do.
Ibuprofen.
Yep.
You have to have that. That's the sugar-free barbecue sauce. I'm thinking for like chicken or something.
He's going to have an electric George Foreman.
He is, and he has an air fryer. What do you have, sir?
A lot of things. I don't know.
These are for us.
I couldn't tell if they were for you or not.
Oh, you've got your spices, your shampoo and conditioner, some shoes.
Body wash.
These are ours too. We already took yours.
Lots of Clif bars? Yeah, I love Clif bars. They're so good.
Pasta, again, it's quick, it's simple. You can add like butter and Parmesan to it if you need to.
And it's hot, so I'm taking it to the trailer.
Okay. I mean, you gotta have toilet paper.
And lots of it.
Lots of it. Toilet paper, paper towels. It's a great way to get it, or it's a great place to get it at Costco.
Yeah, obviously. It gets him, you know.
Those are mine.
I feel like it's something that he's not going to think about.
I know. You know, and I know that there are things that they're going to do that I'm like, oh my gosh. But at least I can set him up for success. He doesn't have to stress about it to begin with. So, you know, I'm just trying to make it a little easier on him. You'll think about a trash bag when you need it. Well, now you have 200.
Oh.
200 trash bags. You should be good for a little while.
Wow. If you did one trash bag a week, that's almost 4 years worth of trash bags.
Now, Isaiah, you've never been like a cup of noodles or ramen kind of kid.
Yeah.
But
they're easy. Yeah.
It's easy.
It's 2 a.m. too lazy to cook.
2 a.m. food. You're not going to be up that late.
Oh, okay.
I think that's it. Everything else. Oh no, I got him the picnic pack of the condiments back there. You got to have.
And you got a backpack?
He did. Oh my gosh. All right, bud.
Yeah.
So I think we got all your Costco stuff, and then when we get to your school, we'll get your cold stuff.
Right.
Like you have a full refrigerator this year. That's really nice.
Yeah.
And you're responsible for cooking your own stuff because you don't have a meal plan. So it's going to be a big difference. You will
Luckily,
figure it out.
Luckily, I have Priscilla's stuffing thing meals that I can make.
Right? I bet you better make some of them.
That's what I was planning on doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And obviously, you know, I'll send you gift cards and stuff so you can go grocery shopping. And
I appreciate that.
I don't expect you to pay for all your groceries.
And I got new shoes. Because I needed those.
Those are always great to buy at Costco if you can. Okay, so these are some snacks for Abigail and her class. You know, the things that every kid likes, I think. Fruit snacks. Isaiah said these are really good.
Yeah.
And she loves like popcorn type things, so I thought this would be cute. And she likes potato chips. That's what we got from Costco. Oh, their shampoo and conditioner is awesome. So if you're looking for something that's priced well, it's a good place to get it. Now that I'm dripping in sweat, I'm gonna go into the AC. Thanks so much for hanging out. Let me know if there's anything you guys get for your college students or back to school that you can't do without. I want to know. So we will see you next time. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so. See you later. Bye, guys.
There's so many tissues. Oh, those are fabric softeners. That makes more sense.